Good morning and welcome to your daily operations weather briefing. Conditions a little cool out there to start the day, but we will see a little bit of a warm up compared to what we saw yesterday with temperatures getting into the 40s for daytime highs today. That will be ahead of a colder day in store for us tomorrow as we'll see this frontal boundary that is well off to the west begin to move its way toward the east coast and eventually cross the region tomorrow, bringing with it a chance for some snow showers, maybe some light accumulations as well. We'll get into that a little bit here in a couple of minutes as we get into tomorrow's forecast. But for today, looking at mostly cloudy skies and again a little bit warmer conditions, those daytime highs getting into the 40s. Looking at our current radar and satellite composite, you can see really no areas of precipitation anywhere near us to be concerned with. A few returns off to the north up in Pennsylvania, but we are going to remain dry for today with just some mostly cloudy to partly sunny skies expected today. Those winds currently out of the northwest will eventually switch more out of a easterly to a southeasterly direction as we go into the afternoon today, and actually see those winds dying down a bit as well. Currently out there, just a little bit of low cloudiness at the 200-foot level. Most of that cloudiness at the mid and high levels of the atmosphere, a scattered deck at 15,000 feet, a broken deck at 20,000 feet. Visibility is right around 5 miles. They have come up in the last hour or so as we were seeing visibilities below a mile earlier during the overnight period last night. Those winds, again, out of the northwest at 6 knots, temperature at 30 degrees, and humidity at 93%. Taking a look at the next 24 hours, what we can expect, again, those temperatures will be warming into the low 40s today, looking at a daytime high right around 42 or 43 degrees during the afternoon, and seeing those winds dying down as well as we approach the afternoon hours. Again, we'll see the winds turn from the northwest to an easterly direction later this afternoon, then become variable, less than 5 knots, which will set the stage for the possibility of some low cloud ceilings and some fog once again overnight tonight, with those ceilings potentially below 500 feet and the fog chances as well. After about 8 o'clock this evening into the midnight hour, we'll see the chance of some foggy conditions overnight tonight. Temperatures dropping into the low 30s and eventually into the upper 20s as we reach the early morning hours of Wednesday. And that's when we'll start to see some precipitation approach the area in association with that upper level trough and cold front that will be moving through during the day on Wednesday. It looks like those snow flurry chances will hold off until after 8 a.m., but could see a very slight chance of a few flurries by 8 a.m. Better chance as we go into the late morning and early afternoon hours tomorrow, as we'll see some snow showers in the area. The snow chances increasing during that period of time, and could see some light accumulation. Looks like maybe up to an inch is all we're going to be able to get out of this system as we see that frontal boundary move through during the day on Wednesday. That high temperature of 32 is expected in the morning, and we'll likely see the temperatures drop into the upper 20s during the day on Wednesday. So even though we're expecting just light amounts of snow during the day on Wednesday, those temperatures will be cold enough to potentially cause some treacherous driving conditions during the afternoon on Wednesday as those snow showers begin to fall by the late morning hours. So definitely something to keep an eye out on tomorrow if you are out there driving around. Definitely take precautions as we could see some dicey road conditions during the day on Wednesday. Those snow showers look to end during the afternoon, likely around 3 or 4 o'clock. We'll start to see the snow showers become snow flurries and begin to wind down during the late afternoon hours. So Wednesday night, expecting mostly cloudy skies, becoming mostly clear during the evening hours and overnight period with a low temperature of 20 degrees. And then things will improve as we go into Thursday and into the end of the week, where we'll see partly cloudy and chilly conditions on Thursday with a high of 37 degrees, and then a gradual warm-up is expected as we go into the weekend. That'll wrap it up for today's weather briefing. We'll be back again at 10 a.m. for a full look at your extended forecast. Have a nice day.